Strengthening your core is one of the best things you can do for your overall health. A strong core helps improve posture, enhances balance, and supports the spine, making daily activities easier and preventing injuries. While going to the gym can certainly help, it's also entirely possible to strengthen your core from the comfort of your own home. Today, we're going to go through 5 simple exercises you can do at home to strengthen your core without any special equipment. Let's dive right in. The first exercise is the plank. This is probably one of the most effective core exercises you can do. It engages not only your abdominals, but also your lower back, shoulders, and even your legs. Here's how you do it. Start by getting into a push-up position, but instead of resting your palms on the floor, lower yourself onto your forearms. Your elbows should be directly under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels, and engage your core by pulling your belly button in toward your spine. Make sure your hips don't dip or raise too high. This will ensure you're targeting your core and not putting strain on your back. Hold the position for 30 seconds, and as you get stronger, aim to increase that time. Next, we have dead bugs. The name might sound funny, but it's an incredibly effective exercise for building core stability. To do a dead bug, lie flat on your back with your arms extended towards the ceiling and your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Slowly extend your right arm overhead while simultaneously extending your left leg straight out, keeping your lower back pressed into the floor. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. The key here is to keep your movements slow and controlled. Dead bugs help improve core stability and coordination, especially for preventing lower back pain. Moving on to the bird dog. This is another great exercise that combines balance and strength. Start in a tabletop position with your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Slowly extend your right arm forward and your left leg backward, keeping both in a straight line. Hold this position for a few seconds, then return to the starting position. Repeat with the other arm and leg. The bird dog is fantastic for improving core strength as well as enhancing coordination and balance. The fourth exercise on our list is the Russian twist. This exercise is great for targeting the obliques, the muscles on the sides of your abdomen. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight, and engage your core. Now clasp your hands together in front of you or hold a weight if you have one, and twist your torso to the right, bringing your hands towards the floor next to your hip. Return to the center and twist to the left. Keep your movements controlled and remember not to slouch your back. You can modify this exercise by keeping your feet on the ground or lifting them for an extra challenge. Finally, we have the leg raise. This exercise is excellent for strengthening the lower part of your core, which can often be a bit tricky to target. Lie flat on your back with your legs straight and your arms at your sides. Slowly raise your legs off the ground, keeping them straight until they are about 45 degrees. Hold for a moment, then lower them back down without letting your feet touch the floor. If this feels too challenging, you can start by bending your knees slightly. The key is to keep your lower back pressed into the floor throughout the movement to avoid straining it. Now that you know the exercises, let's talk about how to incorporate them into a routine. If you're just starting out, aim to do each exercise for about 30 seconds, with a short rest in between. As you get stronger, try increasing the duration to 45 seconds, or even a full minute. A great way to structure your workout is by doing each exercise for 30 seconds to a minute, resting for 15 to 30 seconds, and then moving on to the next exercise. Repeat the whole circuit 2 to 3 times for a complete core workout. The best part about these exercises is that they don't require any special equipment. All you need is some space on the floor and your body weight. Plus, they can be done anytime, whether you're watching TV, taking a break from work, or just getting up in the morning. Consistency is key, so aim to incorporate these exercises into your routine at least 3 to 4 times a week to start seeing results. Building a strong core not only enhances your athletic performance, but also supports better posture throughout the day. A strong core can help prevent back pain, improve your balance, and make movements like lifting, bending, or twisting much easier. So give these exercises a try, and over time, you'll notice improvements in your overall strength, stability, and even confidence. Remember, the journey to a stronger core takes time. Be patient with yourself, and don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. The key is consistency. Keep pushing yourself, and over time, your body will thank you for it. If you enjoyed these exercises and found them helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more fitness tips, and share it with friends or family who might benefit. Thanks for watching. Continue learning more here on the channel by choosing one of these 2 videos. See you in the next video.